Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please like and share and subscribe. In this video, I'm gonna show you how is this bottled water of bobble make water better, bubbly. So this is very good things, and there is filter you can buy from Amazon, other filter if you want, and you can change this old filter with the blue plastic, and you can change also just inside there. And I'm very happy with the bottle. It's very good, and I can give you another idea. If you want use this filter for your water top, this can be, you can use this too. Just put this filter out, the black one, put it out and put it inside the water tub, and when your water is coming down, then it will be cleaned, and you can clean your water from your water tub water too with that filter. I use it too for bottle this filter, and for my water tub. And if it's better if you can, if you change every month, if you use too much bottle of water, this bottle of water bubble, better if you, or every 3 months you can change the filter, and for water tub too. But if you are not used too much, and you can also 6 months or whatever you want. Yeah, thanks for this tutorials. Please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.